Hey, I'm Carl from Apt, and we've got another TV here to unbox for you. Today it is the Sony X95J series. This is their top-of-the-line LED 4K model for 2021, and comes in a few different sizes. Right now we just have 75 and 85, but it will be available in the future in a 65-inch. So we're going to open this one up for you. This is the 75-inch, show you what comes in the box, and give you our first impressions of the picture. Okay, so we've got it all set up on the pedestal. Initial impressions are, this is a really, really nice picture. It is the direct replacement for the X95J, so I was kind of expecting that, but it is really, really good. Anyone who's purchasing this TV is going to be extremely happy with what they're getting. That being said, we're gonna dive into it a little bit more in our full overview, so make sure you stay tuned for that. As always, we appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you in the next one.